Hey girl, I have a quick question. Are you juggling work, health, and a million to-dos and still promise yourself, I'll start tomorrow? Most girls today are super conscious about their health, but staying consistent is really hard. That's why a beautiful self-care journal really matters. Not only does it help you actually show up for yourself, but actually it's also a perfect digital product that you can sell in Etsy. Because most of the women's are actually searching for planners that feel personal and pretty. In the next minutes, I'll walk you step by step in Canva to build a self-care journal. The pages buyers love and sellers love with it. Now let's create the core pages plus the bonus tracker to make it more irresistible. But first, here's the quick montage of the finished journal.
Let's head over to Canva and start creating a new Canva design. Let's now create our journal. Create a design, customize size, then create, add color swatches, and drag fonts. Save a brand kit color swatch if available. Quick tip, name your design at the top and rename each page as you create it. Next is for the monthly goals page. This is a high-level planning page where monthly intention starts. For the header, just add text and simply add monthly goals or what month of the year. After the header, you can add text of one thing that you are looking for this month and go to Elements, search for rounded square, and adjust its size. Next, under that, you can add how will you take care of yourself mentally and spiritually. And go to Tools, add lines, and adjust the weight. You can easily duplicate it to make it faster. After that, you can add sections for taking care of yourself for this month. And on the right side, you can add the top 3 priorities for this month. Since we still have enough space, we can add our feelings, goals, or objectives on what to set on this month. Just a quick tip, use duplicate page to make monthly copies. Keep everything grouped and named. Your buyers will thank you. Next, let's head over to Daily Planner page. This is the page people will use every day. Make it clear and functional. Make it easy for you, just copy the goals for taking care and add it to your Daily Planner page. This one, you can easily change the text on how are you feeling today, my daily affirmation, what to do today a little better, what is your emotional and physical state today, and just continue what you are doing to make it easy for you to edit and change every text of it. Next is the schedule. On the right side, you can put also the time and lines for this one. And just simply copy again the left side and change text to physical activities. At the bottom right, you can also add your ideas and reflections. This helps you growth stick and keep it calm.
If you want this journal, I will put the link on the description below. So let's head over to the other page.
Let's add the goal tracker. This is a year review for progress and great for long-term motivation. Change the header to goal tracker, then add tables or bullets. Insert goal 1 and add box and include the start date. Under that, you can insert bullet and lines for the action plan and roadblocks. On the right side, you can also add the motivation and the end date. And you can also add action steps taken and add bullets. Just simply copy what you did on the action plan and roadblocks to make it easy for you. You can easily copy the goal 1 and paste it under it. Just change the text into goal 2 and group each row so buyers can copy a row for new goals. And for the activity tracker, track daily movement and habits. For the layout, go to Elements, then click or find Tables. Adjust the column on what size do you prefer. Add activity, weight, time, distance, steps, set, and comments. Then on the side, add Monday to Sunday. Then let's go to Mood Tracker. Create another page. This is a simple and visual. On the left side, add squares, go to Elements, and search for square. Then add emotions if you're feeling tired, happy, joyful, excited, relaxed, or anything you want to add. Then on the right side, add tables for the everyday tracking. And insert numbers from 1 to 31. You can also add colors and emoji for different user styles. For the next page, add header and type habit challenger. Then insert rounded boxes. And inside the boxes, add lines. Make sure to duplicate it into 4. Then add each title for start doing, do more, do less, and stop doing. And there you have it. Make this modular so sellers can offer different length challengers.
Wow, look at what we created today. A self-care journal packed with everything that women actually want. Monthly goals, daily planner, goal and activity tracker, mood trackers, habit challenger, and those extra pages like Wheel of Life, self-care challenge, and even a menstrual cycle tracker. This isn't just a personal wellness tool. It's also a real opportunity. Journals like this are some of the best-selling products in Etsy. Why? Because most women are already conscious about their health. That help them stay organized, balanced, and consistent. And when your design looks beautiful and easy to use, it instantly stands out. So now you've got 2 choices. You can take what I've shown you today, follow the steps, and build your own journal from scratch. That way, it is completely personalized on your brand. Or if you'd rather save time and start selling immediately, you can buy a ready-made version. Just head over to our website, plrdoc.com. I'll put the link on the description below so you can check it out after this video. And don't forget, you can see tons of designs there. There's a planner, a journal, or everything that you want. So thank you so much for sticking with me through this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, save it for later, and follow this channel for more Canva tutorials.